Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. And this is a 71 Lamborghini Miura SV, and it was so hard for me to find this particular one, but finally I got it. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this looks really beautiful, and the interior details are really great. Okay, the headlights and taillights both are just painted, so given that it's just the basic Hotwheels model car. It's the bottom view. So the rims are just standard ones, but it does have some difference from the basic ones which we normally see. So there are some interior details. This looks really nice. Okay, I personally love this one, so I was happy that I'm able to get my hands on this one. And that's it for today guys. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.